In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do project management in Trello. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized board you can use to plan, track, and deliver your projects with your team. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is your hub for everything you manage. From here, look to the top of the screen and click Create. Instead of building a board from scratch, choose Start with a template. Using a template saves time and gives you a structure that's already proven to work, especially if you're setting this up for a team. In the template gallery, select the project management category. You'll see a range of options designed for different workflows. Pick a template that fits your style. You can preview how the lists and example cards are laid out, so choose one that matches how you like to track work, whether that's simple to-do stages or something more detailed. Next, give your board a clear, descriptive title. A good title helps everyone understand the board's purpose at a glance. Consider adding the project name and timeframe, like Website Redesign Q2 or Client Launch Marketing. This small step makes searching and organization easier down the line. Now choose your visibility. Private is best for personal or sensitive projects. Workspace visibility allows everyone in your team workspace to see and collaborate. Public makes the board visible to anyone with the link, so only use that if you intend to share broadly. If you're unsure, start with private or workspace and adjust later as your needs become clear. Click Create, and Trello will generate your board using the selected template. From here, make your edits. Begin by reviewing the default lists, commonly to do, doing, and done, and rename them if needed to reflect your workflow, such as backlog, in progress, review, and completed. Clean up any example cards you don't need, or keep them as references while you set up. Add your real tasks as cards. Open a card to add details, a clear description, due dates, labels for categorization, and members responsible for the work. Use checklists to break tasks into actionable steps, attach relevant files, and set reminders to stay on schedule. If your template includes labels, align them to your project's priorities or stages and color code them for quick scanning. You can also reorder lists and cards to reflect priority and save common cards as templates for repeated tasks. With your board tailored, you're ready to manage your project in Trello with clarity and confidence.